Hey everyone, it's Center Stage with Cindy, and today, we're diving into some huge news that just shook the global markets. The US and China have agreed to a 90-day tariff truce, and it's already sending waves through the financial world. So, what's the deal exactly? The US will slash tariffs on Chinese imports from a whopping 145% down to 30%. China, on the other hand, will drop tariffs on US goods from 125% to just 10%. This is a massive reduction, especially considering that just last week there were talks of maintaining an 80% tariff rate. Now, this truce doesn't touch the pre-existing tariffs. You know, the 25% on industrial goods, 100% on electric vehicles, and 50% on solar products. And those insignificant exemptions for low-value e-commerce shipments? Yeah, they're not included either. But the big story here is the market reaction. Global stock markets have surged since the announcement. The S&P 500 closed at its highest level since early March, and the Nasdaq Composite hit its peak since late February. The dollar is up while gold prices have taken a hit. Investors are clearly excited about this 90-day pause. However, let's not forget the underlying issues. This truce is a temporary fix and doesn't address core problems like the US trade deficit with China or US concerns over fentanyl. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has mentioned that there's still a long road ahead to reset trade relations. Businesses are reacting with mixed emotions. Some in the shipping industry are optimistic, thinking companies might start loading goods again. But many retailers are cautious, given that a 30% tariff is still in place. It's a wait-and-see game for them. Politically, this truce is being seen as a win for Trump's tariff strategy. He campaigned hard on addressing unfair trade practices, and this deal is being hailed as a victory, especially following similar agreements with the UK. However, critics argue that these tariffs have hurt small businesses and consumers alike. The agreement came out of weekend talks in Geneva, the first high-level meeting since Trump's return to office. Both sides have expressed that they don't want a full decoupling, but are seeking more balanced trade relations. More negotiations are on the horizon. Remember, the trade war had frozen nearly $600 billion in bilateral trade, sparking fears of a global recession. This truce is just a step, but it's a significant one in the right direction. So what do you think? Is this the beginning of a new era in US-China trade relations, or just a temporary reprieve? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, invest smart and stay informed.